Each year, millions of people unknowingly cook their meals in Dutch ovens that are laden with toxic chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, as well as dangerous heavy metals like lead and cadmium. As part of my mission to help people detoxify their kitchens, I decided to explore all of the different non-toxic cookware brands. And in this video, I'll walk you through the best non-toxic Dutch ovens on the market so that you know exactly which one to buy for your kitchen. Links to each non-toxic Dutch oven are in the description box below. The Alva Nori offers exceptional non-toxic cooking performance with its PFAS-free enamel coating while providing the classic benefits of cast iron at a reasonable price point. This stylish black enameled cast iron Dutch oven combines safety with functionality in your kitchen. The triple-layer enamel coating eliminates the need for seasoning while ensuring you're cooking on a surface free from harmful chemicals. You'll appreciate how the 5-quart capacity works perfectly for family meals or batch cooking without taking up excessive cabinet space. The thoughtful lid design sets this pot apart from competitors. Small nubs on the underside collect and redistribute cooking moisture back onto your food, creating juicier results for everything from pot roasts to artisan bread. This self-basting feature means you'll achieve more flavorful outcomes with less effort, which is particularly beneficial for slow-cooked dishes. Heat distribution is remarkably consistent thanks to the cast iron construction. You'll notice even cooking whether you're simmering on low heat or browning at higher temperatures. The versatility extends to its compatibility with gas, electric, and induction stovetops, plus it transitions seamlessly to the oven for finishing dishes like braised short ribs or crusty sourdough loaves. Cleaning requires simple hand washing with mild soap, which helps preserve the non-toxic enamel coating for years of use. The sleek black finish hides minor staining better than lighter colored alternatives, making it practical for everyday cooking. While not the lightest option available, the weight contributes to its excellent heat retention properties that serious home cooks will appreciate. Next up in my best non-toxic Dutch oven guide, we're taking a trip to Lancaster, Pennsylvania to check out this American-made 5-quart Dutch oven that delivers exceptional quality with its smooth cooking surface and self-basting lid, making it a worthwhile investment for health-conscious home cooks. The Lancaster cast iron Dutch oven stands out in the crowded market of cookware with its genuine American craftsmanship. Manufactured in Pennsylvania, this 5-quart pot features a beautifully machined interior surface that feels noticeably smoother than many mass-produced alternatives. You'll appreciate how this thoughtful design helps prevent food from sticking while creating an enjoyable cooking experience. Besides its wonderfully non-toxic construction, versatility is where this Dutch oven truly shines. You can confidently use it on any heat source, from glass cooktops to induction ranges, outdoor grills, and even directly over campfire flames. The self-basting lid includes a solid brass knob that adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal, helping to retain moisture during slow cooking methods. At 10.5 inches in diameter with a 9-inch cooking surface, this pot offers a generous capacity for family meals. The traditional round design with integrated handles means there are no weak points to worry about. No screws or rivets that might eventually fail. This one-piece construction contributes to its impressive durability and heirloom quality. The non-toxic aspect cannot be overstated. Without modern chemical non-stick coatings, you can cook with confidence, knowing your food is only touching natural cast iron. The pre-seasoned surface develops an increasingly non-stick patina with use. Many users note how this Dutch oven excels at everything from baking sourdough to roasting chicken and simmering hearty stews. Maintaining this piece requires some care, hand washing only and proper drying to prevent rust. However, this minor inconvenience pays off in longevity. With proper care, you'll likely pass this Dutch oven down to the next generation, making it not just a cooking tool, but a family treasure that improves with age. Checking in at number 3 on my best safe Dutch oven list is this USA-made cast iron Dutch oven from FINEX that combines innovative design with traditional craftsmanship, making it worth considering for serious home cooks seeking a non-toxic cooking solution. The FINEX 5-quart Dutch oven stands out immediately with its distinctive octagonal design. This isn't just for looks. Each corner serves as a functional pour spout, giving you precision when transferring sauces or broths. You'll also notice the polished cooking surface, which results from FINEX's proprietary 2-stage process that refines the cast iron's natural texture while maintaining its excellent heat distribution properties. What makes this Dutch oven particularly appealing for health-conscious cooks is its pre-seasoning with 100% organic flaxseed oil. This creates a naturally non-toxic cooking surface that improves with use. Unlike chemical nonstick coatings that can deteriorate over time, this seasoning forms a durable bronze finish that will develop an even better patina with regular cooking and proper care. The innovative spring handles deserve special mention. Made from 300 series stainless steel and inspired by vintage wood stoves, they stay cooler longer than traditional cast iron handles. You'll appreciate this thoughtful design when moving the pot from stovetop to table, though oven mitts are still recommended for longer cooking sessions at high temperatures. At 5 quarts, this Dutch oven hits the sweet spot for versatility. It's large enough to handle family-sized stews and braises, but not so massive that it becomes unwieldy. Although, if you're cooking for a crowd, a 7-quart option is also available. The tapered interior design is clever too. 8 flat sides at the top for easy spatula access when baking bread or cakes, gradually rounding to a circular bottom that facilitates stirring and prevents food from getting trapped in corners. While the price tag places this non-toxic Dutch oven firmly in the premium category, many users find the FINEX to be an investment piece. Handcrafted in the USA and designed to last generations, it combines the health benefits of non-toxic cookware with exceptional performance and distinctive aesthetics. The thick cast iron construction eliminates hot spots and maintains consistent cooking temperatures, particularly valuable for slow cooking methods that benefit from steady, even heat. Taking the silver medal on my best healthy Dutch oven roundup is this popular 6.5-quart ceramic-coated Dutch oven from Caraway, which delivers exceptional non-toxic cooking performance while adding a stylish modern aesthetic to your kitchen collection. Caraway has created a Dutch oven that prioritizes both health and functionality. The non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating eliminates concerns about harmful chemicals leaching into your food while providing excellent cooking performance. You'll appreciate how it requires minimal oil for cooking, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor or texture. The 6.5-quart capacity hits the sweet spot for versatility. You can easily prepare stews, soups, braises, and even artisan bread in this spacious pot. Unlike traditional cast iron Dutch ovens, this aluminum-based version maintains excellent heat distribution without the excessive weight, making it more manageable for everyday use. Don't worry about the use of aluminum though. This is just for efficient heating. The aluminum never comes into contact with your food thanks to the non-toxic ceramic coating. Cleanup is remarkably simple with the non-stick ceramic interior. A gentle wash with warm soapy water is typically all that's needed to restore the pot to pristine condition after cooking. The thoughtful design extends to temperature resistance as well. With oven-safe capabilities up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven for finishing dishes or slow cooking. Plus, the included lid helps retain moisture during cooking, essential for developing complex flavors in braised dishes and stews. Caraway's commitment to non-toxic materials sets this Dutch oven apart in a market where many alternatives use questionable coatings. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your cookware isn't introducing unwanted chemicals into your carefully prepared meals. While it represents a higher investment than some options, the combination of cooking performance, health benefits, and aesthetic appeal makes this a worthwhile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Next up, we have the best non-toxic Dutch oven on the market. The Xtrema Classic Oval Dutch Oven stands out as a truly non-toxic cooking solution for your kitchen. With its 7.5 quart capacity, this elegant pot gives you plenty of space for family meals and batch cooking without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Unlike conventional cookware, this Dutch oven is crafted from 100% pure ceramic materials with absolutely no PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, metals, or synthetic coatings. You can feel confident knowing your meals will always remain free from unwanted toxins while retaining their natural flavors and nutritional benefits. The oval shape isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it serves a practical purpose by distributing heat evenly throughout the pot. The modern lid design effectively traps moisture and flavors, resulting in more succulent roasts, tender stews, and perfectly baked bread. You'll appreciate the impressive versatility this Dutch oven brings to your cooking routine. Take it from stovetop to oven, use it on the barbecue grill, place it in the microwave, or even store leftovers in the freezer. The Xtrema handles it all with ease. The lightweight one-piece construction makes this Dutch oven more manageable than traditional cast iron options. Although it's still very sturdily built, you won't need to struggle with excessive weight while enjoying superior heat retention and cooking performance of 100% pure ceramic. Every Xtrema Dutch oven comes backed by a reassuring 10-year warranty and 30-day trial period. This family-run company stands behind their products, giving you peace of mind about your investment in healthier cooking tools. Perfect for creating everything from hearty soups and stews to tender roasts and artisanal bread, this Dutch oven helps you maintain a non-toxic kitchen without sacrificing cooking versatility or performance. If you just want to buy the best non-toxic Dutch oven for your kitchen, then I highly recommend getting this Xtrema Dutch oven while it's in stock. The versatility is incredible, the design is beautiful, and the completely non-toxic construction and resulting peace of mind is absolutely priceless. I sincerely hope that my video played a part in your kitchen detoxification journey. Feel free to browse around the channel for more non-toxic videos just like this one. In the meantime, you'll find links to each of the best non-toxic Dutch ovens in the description box below.